Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can easily add any text on your iPhone lock screen, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first you have to do is open up App Store and there search for any text. It shows you that results. You have to pick the first one, any text, lock screen widgets. Then just download and install that app on your device. I'll just hit at open because that app is already installed on my device. Now there you can set up to 8 different widgets. You can select any of them and there you can write any text that you want. Let it be just have a nice day. After that, you can hit at that gear icon and then you can customize that text. You can change the design, you can make it rounded or you can make it serif or monospaced. I like rounded. Then you can make this text bold. Also you can select any custom font if you wish. I like that one. Also you can change the text size. It can be flexible or you can set it manually. Then you can change text alignment. You can align the text by the left, by the center and by the right edge. Also, I'll pick center. Also, you can enable show background, so there would appear some kind of background under that text. I don't really like that feature, so I'll turn it off. Also, there you can add some prefix to the text or some suffix. And also there you can select widget tab action. You can hit right there and for example you can add there some URL in that widget to be opened up once you tap at that widget, or you can run shortcut in the same way. I'll just keep edit text. Then you can tap on done and the widget has been saved. Now you can bring up your lock screen. Then you can hold down on the blank space to bring up that edit mode and here just tap at customize. Then select lock screen. Now you can tap at that widgets bar and let me remove existing widget. Then you can scroll down and select any text. Now you can simply switch between your widgets in that simple way. Let's select widget 3 that we have just created and simply by tapping on that we can easily add them to the lock screen. After that we can close it and hit on done to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and lock screen tutorials playlists, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video and see you in the next one.